Are you able to turn your car off, please? How much will we have to drink tonight?
4 shots.
4 shots? You think it's a bad idea?
Hey, yes, sir.
Where'd you leave the puppy at?
Right here.
What? And how much did you have to drink?
5 shots.
5? You know, you
Yeah.
told me 4 at
With
first, right?
liquor.
On a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being you're stone cold sober.
I'm not
hold on,
sober.
hold on. 10, you're passed out drunk in a ditch.
5?
5. So you'd say about halfway?
Yeah. I think that if you would, God, let me go, I would walk home and leave this car here.
Bring your hands away from your body.
And my
Oh.
dog.
Right now, you're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol, okay?
He would drop him off at the house. He would go.
If we open that door, is he gonna take off like a bullet?
No.
He didn't do anything wrong, so we're gonna give him a ride home tonight. Come here, Joe. I got the Joe. What's the Lion King thing?